This is Seth with Skybird Roofing. We're here today at 25 Ambergate in Youngsville, North Carolina. We're going to be doing a repairability test on the shingle right here. As you can see, we have our wind crease right there. I want to show you the top two rows, show you that there's no creasing going on as we do this repair. And as we see and do the repair and we see that kind of creasing involved, this is going to go ahead and show us that the roof cannot be repaired without causing continual damage. Need to set up here. Come on now. All right. So they will be using our roof snake. Come on, baby. I just want to get you done before the rain. All right. There's that. We'll be using a roof snake. On top of that, we will be making sure that we do not exceed 45-degree angle, which is right here. Let's go ahead and get started. Come on, man. Break. Oh, man. All right, and these shingles are much larger than what we have. I'm gonna kitty corner this a little bit. Come on. Slipping, baby. Come on. Come on. Just stop slipping for me. as you can see, the shingle is a lot smaller than the shingles around it. I want to show you how we have the creasing involved here on this shingle. You can see it all throughout here. You actually have some coming along the edges here. That creases around here directly above the shingle that we just replaced. Same thing here. You can start seeing this one. So when we get one good rain, you're gonna have creasing all throughout. This goes to show you that the roof cannot be repaired without causing continual damage. Thank you. Have a blessed day.